Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. Tonight's story is The Marvelous Weekend in Carrot Valley. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. In the heart of Bunnyboro, where the green meadows stretched as far as the eye could see, lived a delightful rabbit family. Henry, Judy, and their energetic little daughter, Kate. One weekend, with the sun shining brightly, they decided to embark on a magical journey to Carrot Valley. The family hopped along the bunny trail, excitement bubbling in their hearts. Henry, the wise patriarch, led the way with tales of the legendary Carrot Valley, a land rumored to have the most succulent and vibrant carrots in all the meadows. As they ventured, the air was filled with laughter and the sweet aroma of dandelions. The family nibbled on these treats, savoring the flavors of the journey. Kate, with her boundless energy, danced ahead, her fluffy tail bouncing with each hop. Upon reaching Carrot Valley, a breathtaking sight unfolded. Vast fields of orange stretched like a sea of sunshine. The family's eyes widened in awe. Their picnic blanket was soon adorned with an array of carrot delights. Carrot sandwiches, carrot muffins, and even carrot juice. The picnic turned into a feast, accompanied by the gentle hum of bees and the occasional visit from a friendly butterfly. Kate giggled as the butterfly fluttered around her, adding an extra touch of enchantment to their day. Energized by their feast, the family set out to explore the wonders of Carrot Valley. They played games of hide and seek behind the tall carrot stalks, their laughter echoing through the valley. Kate, with her keen eyes, won the race to find the biggest carrot, proudly presenting it to her parents. As the day progressed, the sun began its descent, casting a warm glow over Carrot Valley. The family, not ready to end their adventure, decided to visit the Meadow of Fireflies, a place rumored to be illuminated by the magic of 1,000 fireflies at dusk. The meadow welcomed them with a symphony of chirping crickets and the first twinkles of fireflies. Kate's eyes sparkled with wonder as she chased the gentle lights, her parents watching with joy. The meadow transformed into a realm of magic, and the family felt like characters in a storybook. With hearts full of gratitude, the family reluctantly left the Meadow of Fireflies. The night sky above Bunnyboro welcomed them home. Under the moonlit sky, they shared stories of their day, each reliving their favorite moments. As the night grew still, the family nestled into their cozy burrow. The magical echoes of their weekend adventure lingered, and the soft glow of the moon acted as a lullaby. In the embrace of Bunnyboro, surrounded by love and the memories of their enchanting day, Henry, Judy, and Kate drifted into a peaceful slumber, ready to embrace new adventures in the meadows of tomorrow.